My name's Wade McMahon.
And I'm Wesley Solis.
I'm Frank Crowder.
And we're just three dudes!
Three random dudes.
We like to call ourselves Obscure Terrain because we're gonna explore a bunch of obscure terrain and bring.
We're about to do the Rio Grande from the base of Caballo Lake Dam. We're going to Mesilla Valley Dam. And that is over, what, like 55 miles?
Yeah, it's over.
We don't know. We're going to get the exact mileage after we finish the trip, but our goal is to make that in 48 hours. This is my first time packing on a kayak.
Me too.
I've never backpacked on a kayak. I've never even backpacked, so. I kayaked on the river once. And now I'm all about kayaking.
And Frank here has about 25 minutes experience in a pond or a lake.
Yeah, just a little pond city park in Denver. Yeah.
This might go terribly wrong.
It could.
Or it might be great, who knows? But we're gonna make it, that's for sure.
We just found out there's chances of weather like this and rain. You know, like
rapids.
Right off
It's
the bat.
thundering and storming up, so there could be rapids tomorrow.
It's supposed to rain at 5:30 a.m. and we want to be on the river by 6:30 a.m.
Yeah.
Location. But
You never know,
but we
though,
may
man.
run into coyotes, actual coyotes, and rattlesnakes.
Yeah.
Dang.
We gotta be careful with rattlesnakes and bugs.
Insects,
we gotta be careful.
They're gonna be a pain in the
insects.
ass.
Do we have rattlesnake anti-venom?
No.
I'm not going.
What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to suck the venom out of wherever you get bit.
All right. So our plan is to be covered from head to toe because we're gonna be beaten up by the sun. Another thing, is there's two dams that we're gonna have to scale. So when we get to them, we have to dock before it and then carry all our stuff down below the dam. Because
Never go over a dam as a kayaker. We may be rookies, but even we're not that stupid.
exactly.
You'll get sucked in on the bottom and you will drown.
Yes,
You will drown.
you will.
There's no way around it. You can't go over a dam. Not these. You'll die.
Yep. Because there's no going over the dam. You're gonna get sucked through the chute of the dam.
You get sucked in and drown.
Yes, we want to do more trips, more camping, backpack, just trekking trips, any kind of trekking trips, because it's a way to get in touch with your primitive side again, see what kind of person you really are.
Provided we don't drown in the first go around.
Yes, this is the first episode. So, we'll have life vests, and we'll have each other. All right, man. Well, we'll see you guys on the river. On the river! On the river!
You just don't have a remote?
I gotta go like this.